What if we put together some type of a training session for contractor forces? How can we communicate some of the changes that we're making, the improvements that we're making with contractor forces?
The pavement marking training was important because that's a really valuable, necessary part of our infrastructure. Pavement markings are essential for safety and proper traffic operations.
NDOT folks were able to meet some of these contractor partners that are out performing the work that they may not normally have an opportunity to engage and interact with. If I have a problem, if I have a concern, I have somebody that I can reach out to and call. Building those relationships, those public-private partnerships at the individual level was crucial. It was a huge driving factor behind this opportunity. Brad Henry was the speaker for the event. He's been on both sides of the fence. He's been with the DOT, he's been with private contractors, he's been on the material side. So it was just an excellent opportunity for us to learn from someone who's been there and done that.
It was a great opportunity to bring an industry expert, a master instructor from the American Traffic Safety Services Association on board to kind of share his knowledge and experience.
He presented both days, and you talk about an engaging speaker. From the moment that he stepped onto the stage, you're paying attention, you're actively learning. His ability to communicate at both a technical, professional level, but also at our end user, our hourly folks that are on the paint trucks that are actually performing the work. He can talk to them about their day-to-day and things specific to them, and he can talk to our engineers that are talking about specifications and how we design things and why we do things a certain way. He's able to talk across all levels of the agency. That's something that's pretty rare.
We're doing this for different DOTs. Prime example, we're training drivers and operators with that and other crew folks, so that way they get on the same page with that of learning how to actually install lines the correct way with that right mill thickness, right bead poundage. That's what we care about when we come in from Swarco's side and working with Ennis and other manufacturers with that. We all care about the perfect lines going down to make sure everything is going down the right way and you're getting the best use and actually life out of your lines.
So based on the feedback that we've received so far from how everything went, we have absolutely decided this is something that we want to do again. There's an interest both from private industry as well as the NDOT maintenance side to do a repeat of this in the next year. Getting everybody in that same room and being able to share that message and build those relationships, this is something that we absolutely want to replicate every year. We want to make sure that we continue to build on this. If this becomes something that we want to build this into something that every year you know it's coming and you look forward to it.